Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're still using Windows 10, this is the video you need to see. Microsoft is officially ending support for Windows 10 in October 2025, and sticking with it could leave you and your PC at serious risk. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why you should update to Windows 11 now, the benefits, the risks if you don't, and what you can expect from the upgrade. Let's dive in. First, what does end of service actually mean? After October 14th, 2025, Microsoft will no longer provide security updates, bug fixes, or technical support for Windows 10. That means if hackers find a new vulnerability, there won't be a patch coming to protect you. You might remember when Windows XP and Windows 7 reached end of life. Overnight, millions of computers became magnets for malware and ransomware. Windows 10 is about to join that club. Security is the #1 reason you need to upgrade. Without updates, you're wide open to cyber attacks. Hackers specifically target outdated systems because they know there's no defense. Even if you use antivirus software, it won't be enough if Windows itself isn't patched. Your personal data, bank info, even your photos could be at risk. But upgrading isn't just about avoiding risk. Windows 11 brings a ton of improvements that make your daily experience faster, smoother, and actually more fun. Let's talk about some of the biggest features. A modern, fresh look, redesigned start menu, rounded corners, cleaner layouts, productivity upgrades, snap layouts, virtual desktops, integrated Microsoft Teams, performance, faster startup, better memory management, improved battery life, gaming, direct storage, auto HDR, Xbox Game Pass. Switching to Windows 11 now means you'll get all the latest updates, new features, and support for years to come, and more software will soon require Windows 11 to run. You might be wondering, will my PC run Windows 11? Microsoft's requirements are stricter. A compatible 64-bit CPU, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, TPM 2.0, and secure boot. But don't worry, use the free PC Health Check tool to see if your system is ready. Ready to upgrade? Here's how. Back up your files. Check for updates. Run PC Health Check. If eligible, start the upgrade. It's mostly automatic. If your PC isn't compatible, consider upgrading parts like TPM or RAM, or invest in a new device with Windows 11 pre-installed. Running an unsupported OS is not safe, especially if you shop, bank, or work on your PC. To sum up, Windows 10 is ending. Staying on it means risking your security, losing new features, and eventually getting left behind. Upgrading to Windows 11 keeps you protected, productive, and ready for the future.